Welcome to our online course, EU Medical Device Regulation. This course is your practical guide on how to navigate Europe's most demanding medical device rulebook. If you already work with CE-marked products or plan to bring a new device to the EU market, this course will help you turn complex legal text into clear, actionable steps. By the end, you'll know not just what the MDR requires, but how to apply it across the entire product life cycle. In this course, you will discover why the MDR replaced the old directives and how that shift affects market access, marketing claims, and customer trust. The structure of the regulation, a quick map of chapters and annexes so you can locate answers fast. Risk classification and conformity routes, how to use Annex VIII rules and choose between Annex IX, X, and XI. General safety and performance requirements, turning Annex I into a working checklist for your technical file. Roles in the supply chain, what manufacturers, authorized representatives, importers and distributors must document, and the new accountability of the PRRC. Post-market vigilance, serious incident reporting timelines and SUR-based monitoring that safeguard patients and protect your CE certificate. To reinforce your learning, the course includes case studies, interactive skills check exercises, and a final assessment. When you complete the course and pass the final quiz, you'll receive a course certificate, your first milestone in your MDR journey. Enroll now on Pharmuni Premium and turn MDR complexity into competitive advantage.